Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. As you can see, this lovely donut, this is what we are doing today. It's delicious and it's the perfect recipe for donuts. So if you love donuts, come along with me and let's do this. So guys, I have my flour in my mixer. I'm adding some yeast. Okay, I have yeast here and I have some salt and I have some brown sugar. I'll put all the measurements down below in the description box. I added, these are the dry ingredients. I'm adding them together and I'm mixing them a bit so that it is evenly distributed. Okay, and then I'm going to add some warm milk. Okay, these are the wet ingredients, so it's so easy to do. And I'm adding some egg yolks. Okay, this makes the perfect dough, I tell you, for donuts. And some butter, so I'm going to put that in, and this is optional. I'm adding some vanilla paste or vanilla extract if you prefer, because I like a bit of that taste in my donuts, but you can, yeah, this is optional. So I mix that nicely. Right guys, so this is our dough. It's nicely kneaded. You have to knead it for about 8 minutes. Okay, if you don't have a mixer, you can hand knead it. It's quite easy to do. So what I'm doing is put it in a bowl. I've already greased the bowl so that it won't stick into it when it doubles up, and I'll cover it nicely, and then I'll put it in a warm place so that it will double up, preferably for about 2 hours or more. Wow guys, just look at that. It's really risen, it's doubled up. Okay, so this is really a good dough, I tell you. So what I do is just take the air out, and then I'll just take it out of my bowl. As you can see, when you grease your bowl, it won't stick into it. So nice and easy to do. So just follow me as we just shape our donuts. So guys, I have my oil in the pan. Make sure your oil is not too hot. Okay, if it's very hot, your donut's going to burn. It will not be cooked properly. So yeah, put it at a medium heat and then try to just fry your donuts. So guys, I'm coating my donut with sugar and cinnamon, as you can see here. So as soon as I take it out of the oil, you put that in and coat it nicely with it like that. Right guys, I'm also using the Biscoff spread. Okay, in order to get it runny like this, you have to put it in a microwave for a few seconds and get this texture. And I have some crushed Biscoff biscuits, so I'm going to put that into that and then put that in also into the crushed biscuits. It tastes amazing. You have to try this recipe. It's delicious. So guys, as you can see, we made the perfect donuts at home. You know, you can make these donuts. You don't need to buy them. It's so easy to make and it's so good. The texture is amazing and it's so delicious. You can put any topping of your choice. So guys, if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.